So, in the sequence of the series which we started with in the journey of seeking the truth, whatever in that path, the unanswered questions I have put before you, and we have discussed about beliefs, faiths, all whichever questions I have, all this years or when I start in this path. So over the series, each series, beliefs, faiths, which the complete path started of mine is based on belief and faith. Then I have seen the truth that how long does this belief and faith take me forward, and I'm clear about that, what harm or if I still continue with that, what harm it would do or what good it will even do any good. So then my other beliefs of finding my existence and all this wrong, what is right in my viewpoint, what all I was doing right. So the obstacle over the period of time, though what is actual my obstacle that I have to address to come, that's coming in my way to this journey of seeking truth. Over the conversations by each day, though I would have thought, okay, my problem is this, so I ended up seeing that my problem is confusion. So when I am in confusion, I will not be, nothing is clear, or either I can say I am blank. So that's where I really am.
Right.
Some things are shocking because that's what I blindly believed, and so yesterday I could see that I'm completely blank and shocked, or whatever we name it. So a state of mind where I just let it want to be that way, just calm, relaxed, no thoughts, no voluntary thoughts or effortless thoughts. So just, and also feel good about such a feeling. So of course behind in my thought, my mind, I also have a question like, in this confusion, what would I do? Because I know all this while that's what has been the obstacle. So how would I come out of it? Would it take time, or I'm just clueless about it? So how,
Right.
this is what is my state of mind.
So if I understand you right, what I am hearing is, we had discussions, you kind of seen the fact of the falseness where we are living so far.
Yes.
The very seeing is the realization. Right? Your mind is in a state of, as you mentioned, shock, because it is something utterly new.
Yes. New.
Never been this area, because so far we have lived in the framework of belief, faith, and following somebody, having some ideal, working for it, adjusting to it. Life is a perpetual battle for the confirmation, right? Because we think something is great and we try to adjust to it, right? For example, non-violence is the great virtue. That is the ideal. And my life, my entire life is to adjust to that, right? Why adjust? Because in reality is not non-violence, it is violence.
It doesn't fit to the actual reality.
Ideal is different.
And again it becomes a battle trying to keep up to that.
Terrible battle. It's full of battle, isn't it? And see, living in peace is the highest form of, life. That's an ideal, isn't it? Or maybe someone might say the enlightenment, some illusionary, some stuff which we don't know, but we do accept terribly. We live for it throughout our life. It's the entire humanity, it's not you and me. The whole humanity, the force, the life force is the ideal. Isn't it? We all live for something. Some people feel service to humanity is service to God.
Yes.
When you really look at it, it looks so beautiful.
That's what I also believed.
Yeah. So, enlightenment, wow. Enlightenment, man, I want to get that enlightenment. Where do they sell it?
The curiosity is because we didn't see it.
We don't know what it is.
Yes.
Because someone told us.
And we didn't experience it, or we didn't sit, and it is not easily available to see, look into it and okay, this is what, and that interest would have been gone.
That's the reason you have more sellers.
Yes.
More sellers of enlightenment. Package selling. 1 week package, 30 days package, some kind of protocol you have to follow. Because you don't know what it is, they try, and already it is glorified.
And it's available, to in affordable packages.
And again they force like it is only limited to so and so people, they are ready to sell it. You see the trap of it.
It's not eligibility, but it's affordability.
All kinds of things poured into our life. We live that. The utter shocking thing is we give the highest priority, which is not at all, we have no clue about it. But someone said it. Some book said it. That is the greatest trap for the entire humanity. Nobody is exception here. No scientist, no artist, nobody for that matter. Show me a person who doesn't have an ideal. If we say ideal, why ideal is needed? They say, what is the purpose of life then?
We are not living our life then.
We wanted to have, we don't know the purpose of life. We wanted to create the purpose of life, and we want to try to have some meaning to life, and we are dying to get damn meaning to your life. See? In that fight, we lost the whole glory of life.
Sir, I request you to clarify. When I asked about purpose of life, you mentioned about purpose of life. So, when human being thinks about the purpose of life, then itself you said, he is not happy, or he is in trouble, he is in misery and all. So and also you said who had really seen the truth, they will not be having this questions at all. So
same thing. We are saying the same thing now. Why would you cry to have or crave? Our entire battle of life is to give some meaning to life. Same thing, right? We all work.
Yeah, exactly. That tagline, basically they want to have the tagline.
The purpose of life.
They want to have that purpose of life because they know they are going to die one day. So they feel that in their own level of understanding that they should have some meaning. That okay, this person had lived.
I question all that. Because do we know that we are going to die one day?
No. With I'm not talking in an elevated level of psychology, but
reality.
The reality. Of course, the elevated level of psychology, we would see reality.
Right. But psychology is somewhat different. Your psychology is corrupted the whole reality.
Huh.
If you see
This
it,
is before elevation and
there is no elevation. Elevation is an illusion.
okay, transformation I can say.
See, the problem is we never try to see what is. We always try to invent what is not. That is the problem. I don't know whether you really see it.
No, what I see it is right now is I'm in confusion.
We all are in confusion. Nobody is not in
yes.
confusion. Everybody is confused. You understand a bit. You could able to start seeing something, because the human life is very, very, very complex. The most complex thing in the universe is the brain. Mankind doesn't have any clue about it. After so many years of research and all that, mankind has no idea what it is. They don't know the capacity of it.
So, sir, in my what I actually feel is, in the current state of mind, I could, if I just stay numb, I mean, no, in silence, like not talking, because silence is happening, but the place where I stay, the conditions around me, I have to actually, continue with actions and words and all.
Question
Else-
comes. I'll let you complete.
So the only question that comes to me is, I mean, not question, what I feel I have to do is just be in silence and just be in silence, and that would lead me or show me the way what should I do next, because this is the only question I can really I can only
Yes.
have this question
Of course,
as of now.
of course. If you are in real silence, you will not have this question.
No, I am in silence because
You are.
huh,
You are in a kind of silence.
no, actually I prefer, to be very frank, if this session is not I'm not liking to have a session at all, and just
But you ask the question immediately, what is the action for me? What kind of action I do?
no, this is what the action I prefer to do.
See,
Just-
that is the feel of your mind, right? Of course, when you see something real, definitely the silence will sprout naturally without any effort. See, you don't even know how it got. You got it. You don't want to think about it. You just want to be there. Yes, that's a natural sprouting of the silence. So, can you sit like this till the body fall dead?
I'm not sure how
You
long the
can't.
physical.
You can't. There is an action. This is the. You can be there. You will be there, because it's a natural thing, right? Nobody can disturb that now, because no one has created it. You see the
Yes,
beauty
yes.
of it.
Yes.
Nobody has given it to you. You have not done anything to get it. How do you got that?
It just happened.
How?
Over the whatever was there inside the questions to be whom I couldn't ask personally.
Seeing the reality of it. You have
Through
seen the
asking
truth of it. Not it is someone given it to you. If someone has given it to you, it will go for sure. There is no doubt, because we have received so much from so many people. Gurus has given something, God has given something, neighbor has given something, and we have given in return something. This give and take business will not work. You see the very change what you are going through now,
Yes, yes.
not given by somebody. Not even effort from you. It's a beauty. I don't know whether you see this.
No, definitely something, even the same thing would have been experienced by me before, would not even last this long, which started yesterday evening and
Exactly. That is the difference. This is not the peace between two sounds. Yesterday we have gone to this, right? We here and there may experience little bit peace. Maybe when you sit in bhajan, you feel somewhat peaceful, right? Because life is completely full of battle, and the sounds and all that might have given you some kind of relaxation. When you go and see when you feel so Mahatma and all that, you might have feel a bit of peace, some break. That peace is a break between two sounds, just a pause. The moment you are done with that bhajan, you are back in your car and there is a phone call from your husband or your kid,
Gone.
it's all gone. Because that is just a simple pause between two sounds. This is not that. Because the reason there for you to feel bit peacefulness is because of that sounds, different bhajan, different song. We all go through this one way or other way, maybe in deep sleep. Everybody experiences. I mean, if they get sleep, most of the people can't even sleep. If you have sound sleep, you feel there, right? But the moment you wake up, all is back. It's a common phenomenon. But this what you are going through now is not because of bhajan, not because of some activity like a deep sleep or anything. It is not that you have done something to it or someone is blessed you. It's not because of someone's influence. All those influences will go. That's what our experience is, right? Have we not blessed by great people? Whatever we call so-called great people or whatever it is. I don't know what that means, the blessing and all that. The effect of the blessing is not even a second. The very next moment, you have all your things back. So you yourself saying, the change what you've been experiencing after 2-3 discussions is phenomenal. It's not going at all. It is getting stronger and stronger.
Sir, I would like to mention here to more precisely put it across what my experience before or after. It could be on a video or audio or in live. If I hear a waterfall or water flowing, I always wanted to feel the beauty or hear the hear it more beautifully as much as possible, but the effort would be there, but I couldn't make it. Now effortlessly the water flow at the background, it's so sweet. I can cherish that forever, because when we go to a beautiful place, we capture it. Why do we take pictures? We want to capture it.
Yeah.
With our limited technology or whatever we have in hand, we just want to capture it because that has become a luxury. I mean, everything is a luxury, the real things. So now I don't need to memorize, or if I just want to hear it again, probably I'll just hear it again, and I can feel at the same place. I can represent the same situation, like in the sense, I mean, I can just close my eyes and feel even going back to my place, that yes, the same surroundings, recreate. This is exactly what is the difference I feel.
Yes.
I would struggle to do that before,
Yeah.
and now it's just happening.
You see, the truth is talking now. It's not you.
That was also struggling.
Which one?
No, this also
to put it in words. To put it in words,
that
it's
was
a challenge.
existing.
But I can see the essence of it.
That was existing,
Yes.
but as a
Yes.
human being,
Right. To put
I was
it,
struggling.
Yes, you struggle to put something, you cannot put it in words.
Yes, exactly.
And beautifully and naturally, the transformation is, you mentioned it very precisely, accurately, the maximum extent the way you can put it in words. Before and after. You mentioned before, if you go to a beautiful place, if you listen to music, you want to have it. You wanted to have it again. Oh, how beautiful it is. Can I capture all this? Can I take it with me? Can I hold it? Can I possess it? That's all desire.
Yes.
Desire as you mentioned, there is a struggle,
Yes.
struggle in holding it,
Yes.
struggle in I want to have it. Now, you are not in struggle. It's naturally sprouting. And before one will not last, because it won't last, you struggle to make it permanent.
Yes.
Am I right? Now you see that this is naturally sprouting without your involvement. This seems to be so natural and something new, never seen before. Whatever we have seen, you have seen before, is like, you see the starting, very starting is start dissipating. You realize that is dissipating, you want to hold it, you want to carry it, you want to maintain it. That is the whole struggle of the life. So far, what happened? And now something is happening, the very calm, no movement at all. There is no effort. It is not done by external force, and it is purely, and from your part also there is no effort. Is that right? It is because you have seen the truth of it, the futility of the way you have lived so far. It is revealed for you. Then it is going to be permanent, isn't it? Nobody can take it now. That's real sense.
Sorry, real?
Sense.
Sense. Okay.
That's where you are now. Right?
Yes.
That cannot be disturbed. You're seeing the fact. When my eyes are closed, someone is explaining the beauty of this place, the green and the shadows and the blue skies and flowing the water and all that. He is telling the truth only, but I can't see it. It's someone's explanation. What I used to do, I listen to it and I create my own feel of it. Definitely that is not the one it is being explained.
The same thinking that the landscape I created is, this is how it will be.
That's an illusion, nothing to do with the reality. So, explanation is not the explained, right? If I try to explain about something, the explanation is not at all real to what I have explained. The nature and all that I can explain endlessly. Throughout my life I can explain. But that's not real. That's what used to happen. And you try to hold it and you try to verify is it correct or not. You need some confirmation. Now you don't need any confirmation. Who is going to confirm? It doesn't need any confirmation.
When it comes from other source, we need to be sure, and all this process what you mentioned will happen. When it is come within, from within, I don't need a cross verification.
Yes. So now, where do we go from here?
Yes.
Is that what you mentioned, right?
Yes.
That's very natural. When you start seeing something real, what is my action in my life, day to life? Because you have to earn, right? You have to eat, you have to breathe. What is my action? What is that I follow? Who is guiding me? What is the source of energy which really make me to walk in this? I don't know whether it can call a specific method or anything. It's not a method. What method is it? So what is the action of my life from here onwards? That is the question. So you have to answer it. Isn't this called the intelligence?
Thinking about it, me getting such questions, you are referring to as intelligence? That's what you are asking?
Say that again.
No. What you asked, all these things, uh, thinking about what I have to do in action, or who is,
Not thinking. As we have seen before,
yes,
thought is limited.
yes. I'm not able to put it in the right words. Like what you asked
I try
me
to
now.
I try to summarize that. You can confirm.
Okay.
Am I saying same thing or I'm saying something different than what you think? Is see a thought, right? Thought is always limited. We are talking about the action now.
Yes. Okay.
What is my action? You're not asking me. I'm not telling you. We both are trying to see the truth of it. When we both together means we both doesn't exist. The truth and the vision only exist. Right? If you exist and I exist, we can't see. We have gone through that. And we want to make sure. Again and again, we don't want to slip into that someone saying, someone listening. It didn't work, it's not going to work. We have seen the futility of that also in the book, or maybe religion, or maybe faith, and all that is someone is telling you. Yeah, we say it sounds good, but we live the way we live.
Yeah, nothing can be same for two people.
Obviously, because two itself is a divisive process.
Yes.
Divisive always leads to conflict.
Yes.
Conflict ends in war, not in peace. But we want peace. You see,
Yes.
the integrity is questioned there.
Yes.
We say something, we do something. The conflict.
That's ignorance.
The conflict is there. How do we address that conflict?
Yes.
The state of your mind is basically when you have seen some truth, a portion of it, but as it is life, you're asking what is the action,
Yes.
because you come upon a small portion of the life, right? A small portion maybe played a major role called belief. When the whole huge mountain is falling off, the shallowness is shattering, it's melting, it's vanishing.
I get it now.
Like
What you asked.
the moment you throw the light on, it doesn't matter how long the darkness is there, the whole darkness is getting dissipated now. You see that? Okay? See, maybe the fire is so small, it can burn the whole fields, whole forest.
Forest.
The ignorance, the darkness, the confusion, that forest is getting burned by the truth called a small fire. This fire is capable of putting all that in ashes. You know austerities? Heard about that austerities? What is austerities?
No, sir. I'm not.
Sannyasi. Have you heard about sannyasi?
Yeah.
What is that sannyasi?
Doesn't.
Sannyasi is this. When the truth of fire puts the ignorance of the forest in ashes is called austerities. Austerities is not having different types of clothes, different type of a get-up. It is not the physical outer appearance, and is purely, it's your consciousness. The forest of your consciousness is getting burned by the truth of that intelligence called the vision, where thought has no place in it. I don't know whether you follow it. Do you see the reality of it? In your very perception, in the truth, your past experience is abandoned, is the end of all your experiences. No trace of that is coming to play a role in your vision, very perception. That perception is called intelligence. You follow? So far in our life, the action is based on my past.
Yes.
So far, whatever you do, whatever you think, whatever you feel, every action of your life so far is completely controlled by your past.
Yeah. Correct. Whatever I plan for the future is based on my past experiences.
The past is present,
knowledge.
present is modified in future. The only thing you see, the entire flow is the past only. There is nothing creation. I am questioning, is there a creation in anybody's life? Psychologically. It is the past influencing the present. The present modified bit becoming future. Means what? Your future is in present.
Yes, yes.
Your past is in present. The entire time is in now. Do you see it?
Yes.
Unless there is a mutation, unless there is a complete transformation in now, not in future. You see the game what we play? Yeah, we hear all this. I will go and practice and I will understand one day. I will become enlightened one day. This is all a trap, an escape of truth. You see the shallowness. Whatever you are now is going to be your future. In fact, future doesn't exist. The only existing thing is now.
Present.
Past is dead. When the dead one is coming to present and continuing in future, what the way we are living is the only dead is living. You see that?
Yes.
Where is the life? Where will you see the completeness in dead? The entire human life is struggling to give life to death. I don't know whether you say this. It's a beautiful thing. We never thought about all this so far.
It's giving a life support to the.
Don't make statements. You try to see it. Do you see it? Not intellectually. Intellectual will not true, as we see in the explanation. You see, the whole life is nothing but dying to give some life to death. You see the perpetual battle. Is anything other than this anybody's life is?
Sorry?
I want to see it. Is any other meaning, is anything else, anybody's life is other than this?
No.
The entire humanity is craving, giving all the efforts, giving all the energy, all the activities of giving life to death, because we all live in past. Because past is influencing now. Now is modified becoming future. Now has both past and future.
The base for future.
The future is illusion. Becoming is an illusion. There is no becoming. What you are now, that's going to continue. No question about it. Because the way it is right now. The past is now. Now is going to be future. Future is an illusion. Becoming is an illusion. Do you see that?
Living in present.
Living in a present is a statement. Throw all those out.
No, I'm living in present.
See,
That's what mentioned.
Are we
that.
living in present? That's what I'm asking.
No, that's what I stated now is I'm living in the present.
That means you have no past influencing. Is that true? Examine. Don't tell me. Because no one cares about your feeling. It's yours. You and I have no business to impress anybody. And we are not trying to propagate anything. We are trying to find the truth. That's all. Is it really my past is out of my life? It's a very big statement. Unless one can see very, very, very clearly without any influence of past, any past intruding into present, that is called intelligence.
That is called?
Intelligence. That is called, that intelligence comes how? How do we inculcate that intelligence? How do you create that intelligence?
Living in the present.
How? See, when you go with statements, you will lose the glory of the reality.
No, I'm asking you.
No, I'm not. There is nobody to ask. That's what our discussion is. There is nobody can answer your question, I'm telling you. Ask whom? There is nobody. Even someone says it's not worthwhile, I don't want to go all the discussion again. When you ask that question, what is the answer? Answer only lies when you see it. Answer will be vanished when you think. You see the danger of thinking. There is so much garbage put in your mind, Radhika. Unless there is 100% attention, like a fire, one cannot get to that intelligence. How that intelligence come about? Do we understand what intelligence is first? Do we know what it is? Do we see what it is, the intelligence is?
What I see is, as of now,
Don't try to fight for thoughts. You feel it. You just be with it.
no,
The
sir,
moment you try to put it in words, that will get dissipate.
so then how do I answer you?
How do you answer it? The answer should not have any other question. It is
Yeah.
not I feel or anything.
No, the thing is, I really feel from some time to have this session, I'm dragging. Otherwise, I don't have questions, sir. I think I should stop.
Yes.
I should stop. I mean, I feel I'm being forced to continue or.
No, nothing.
no.
Because you asked what is the action, right?
Huh.
What is the action? That is what I am doing. Nobody is going to answer your question.
Oh, because the complete state of a thing, I don't know if I have to take a break or I don't even know if this is the time I should.
Probably you may
yeah.
need to take break
Yeah.
and you be there when action comes to play.
Because the question you asked, like, are you able to see that?
Yes,
Because
that's
I
very
am
important.
a person who wants to be. I mean, from in every action in the past or whatever it is, I always prefer to see it and also not just confirm just this moment what I see.
You don't want to confirm what you see?
No. Right now, what I see, I want to see it.
Right.
I mean, I want to see it again, time and again.
That wanting will kill you. That's what I'm saying. The very want it's
Sir, wait. See, it's again the kind of state I am. If I speak, I will not be able to put it across in the words at all.
Exactly. That's a good one.
Huh.
That's a good thing. And since you have come across a certain point of the life, because life is very complex, you tend to see some truth of it, then that made you be in that ecstasy.
Yes, exactly.
What I would say is just hold on to it. Not, that's a bad word actually. You can't hold on to it. Let's watch it.
Exactly.
Let's observe it.
Yes.
Because the very moment you try to hold it, it will go. The very holding itself is escaping.
Yeah, I'm just, from yesterday, or I can say
Very
from
good,
morning.
very good.
I'm just letting it happen. Let it go.
Yes.
What it is.
Yes, yes.
And
Being
what
that,
it is.
being that, when something comes, then we will look at it. Look at that time. Let's go it. Because nobody can make you do anything.
Yes.
When we really put a question, that state is kind of moving,
Yes.
right? And now you can't even put any effort to anything.
Because
It's not, nobody's interested in forcing.
coming out of
Nobody has a
confusion.
business.
No, coming out of a confusion, even if I push to do, try to change the state I am in, or voluntarily do anything, that would again, it's leading to confusion again.
Correct. Because you find something, then you want to be with it, and time comes.
And as you said, want, it's not even want.
I understand.
Like
The
again,
moment
that's
you-
what language cannot.
Yes. Language has its
express
own.
the
Yes, language
state.
has its own its barrier. So yeah, I think that is the good idea. When you see something beautiful, be with it, and when something comes up, then we'll take up.
Yes, yes.
That's a very great thing to hear.
Because that's something new, and it's good.
Yes. Just be with it. Don't use any word. The moment you start using words and all
Yes.
that, it is so much pain because the word cannot give the actual feel of it. That's great.
Can't
yeah.
do justice.
Yes. That journey, because it's not a talk, it is the discussion. Discussion is different, talk is different. And I would like more, on the discussion than talks.
Yes.
Because you see that, right? The talk can transform. Let it take its own course of flowering, the whole beauty of it,
Yes.
right?
Flower to become a flower
the real
from the bud.
beauty it starts flowering. Let it flower. Because during the flowering of that, you can't inquire. Inquire comes when there is an obstacle. See, why are we inquiring? It is full of obstacles. Now you see, there is no obstacle as of now.
Yes.
Let it flower. Let it blossom. Then you are the one, right? No one knows, outside person. When you feel, then you will take up that. It's your hard-earned thing, because nobody is there outside to give it to you. Okay, so very good, and I think that is we can see it. We don't even need to say a thing about it. So whatever you feel, you have mentioned already. I think we'll conclude our discussions. It is not we conclude, it is concluded. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.